Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we are going to talk about bin packing algorithm. Now, in bin packing algorithm, what we will do is we are going to we have certain list of elements with us. We are going to put those elements in the particular storage area. It is of two types. First is first fit algorithm. First fit algorithm is whatever it actually works like first come first serve algorithm. So whatever elements and bins you have, you try to put it and try to complete the bins as per first come first serve algorithm. And then there is best fit. Best fit algorithm is you have to consider space. So it means it will try to consider space and it will try to save space also. So wherever space can be saved, it will put the elements accordingly. So we start with first fit algorithm. We have elements which are, let's say, 11, 2, 15, 5, 6, 17, 7. These are the elements. And we have been given 4 bins. This is bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, and bin 4. So we have 4 bins also, and we are putting the elements together. So firstly, what we will try to do is first fit algorithm. Again, this is first come first serve algorithm. So what we will do, we are going to put the elements accordingly. So we have got 11. 11 has to be put to first bin. We can put it like this. And let's give the bin storage capacity as 20. So maximum elements bin can hold is 20. So 11 can be held up in the 20 parts. So we are left with 9 now. So 2, it can be put up over here. 11 plus 2 is 13. So we still have some capacity left. Then 15. Guys, 15 cannot be put up over here. But as per order, it can be put up over here. So 15 we are putting over here. Now, 15 over here, we got 5. So if I see 5, so 5 can go to bin number 1. So it can be filled with this particular element. So we got 11 plus 2 plus 5. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. Again, it is definitely safe to put up over here. Now we want to put 6. Now 6 cannot be put up in bin 2. Why? Because if I put 6 over here, 15 plus 6 becomes 21 and it exceeds capacity. So I would rather put a 6 over here. So we were putting 6 over here. Now 17 was supposed to put up over here, cannot be put up. 17 over here cannot be put up, but 17 over here cannot be put up. So there is only possibility of a 17 to be put up, which is over here. Now what about 7? So 7 cannot be put up here. First cannot be put up over here. 7 cannot be put up over here either. But 7, if I can put over here, 7 is put up. So eventually your solution becomes like this. If I talk about first come first serve, this is 11, 2, and 5. These are put up in bin number 1. Then 15 in bin number 2. Then your 6 and 7 in bin number 3, we have 13. And in bin number 4, we have 17. This is how your first fit algorithm works, right? Now, your bin packing algorithm, if it is working like this is first fit. The same elements, let's say how best fit works out. 11, 2, 15, 5, 6, 17, 7. So how your best fit algorithm works. So we have bins which are there with us, which is bin number 1, bin 2, bin 3, and let's say bin 4. So 11, if I try to put 11 over here, I can put up over here 11. Now just see how this is different than the rest of the ones. 2, we can put up definitely. 2 can be put up over here. 11 plus 2, 13. Guys, it will try to save space. So save space, earlier we could not save that much space, but over here we will. 15 definitely cannot be put up over here. So 15's capacity is over here. Now, when it comes with 5, now it will check over here. 5 can be put up. Yes, it can be put up, but putting 5 will, if I put 5 over here, so 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So how much space we are saving? 2. So it now, if 5 and 6 are compared, so putting 5 will save 2 space, and putting 6 will save 1 space. So I'd rather for 5, I would go with 6 over here. Now, how much space is left for bin 1? 1 space is left. And if I put 5 over here, so 5 plus 15, this is 20, 0 space is left over here, 1 space is left, right? Now, we have to save space. So how much we can save space? That's how we have to go about. 17. So 17 can be put up over here. And what is left? 7 is left. So we are putting 7 over here now. Now you might say, sir, can we put this 7 over here to put this space as 0? But if I do this, 6 will come over here, 14 space will be left. So we have to save as much space as we can. Over here, 3 spaces left. Over here, 14 spaces left. Over here, 1 space is left. So that's how your best fit algorithm works. It may not be efficient, but again, better than the first fit algorithm. That's how bin packing algorithm works, right? If you have any sort of doubt, put it in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all the support.